markets. Manisha, what's the commodity you're tracking today?
Well, I'm looking at metals as a sector, and you know what, Mangalam, this week, it hasn't been such a great week because if you look at aluminum, we are in the negative. Copper prices are just about 0.5% for this week. Now, they're actually 11% off its all-time highs. The only thing that really seems to be holding well in this week especially is the zinc prices. As I said, it's mostly mixed to lower in this week for metal prices, but zinc really seems to be standing tall. The pressure that you've seen in metal prices has come in from the FOMC members projecting just about one rate cut in 2024. Zinc prices, in the meanwhile, have gained up by 3% in this week. It hasn't been a great last 1 month because that is still in negative for zinc by 4%. But when you look at the YTD numbers, the last 3 months, the last 6 months, zinc prices clearly seem to be holding on the higher side there. Well, if you look at the prices as well, an all-time high was at around 44.30. That was way back in 2022. This year's high is $3,050 a ton, but currently we are trading at 28.50. But we are better off from the kind of lows because the zinc prices have seen a decline almost up to 2,600 as well. That would have been very close to its cost of production. So some sanity returning in case of zinc prices there. The concerns also are because the low prices have led to mine closures leading to deficit in sense of concentrate. Also, when you look at the TC charges, well, they are the lowest in many years, just about at around $100 a ton. And that is what the markets also are taking a cognizance of. So the TC charges actually are at a 3-year lows right now. Refined output also is estimated lower on a month-on-month basis at around 500,000 tons on a month basis here. The global zinc market surplus, in the meanwhile, also has declined. That's another factor that actually which could be slightly supportive. So in the previous year, the first quarter surplus was 200,000 tons. This year, first quarter surplus has declined to 144,000 tons, a surplus nonetheless, and that's exactly what the markets are worrying about. When you look at the prices also, as I was telling you, the last couple of years have not been so great. So we did see an all-time high in 2021. So we saw prices gain up by 34%. 22 and 23 have been years of decline, but this year until now we've seen 9% of gains, and the markets do believe that zinc is near its bottom. From here on, it's going to be cautiously on the higher side that you could see the prices move.
Okay, all right. Manisha, thank you very much for that. So a lot of those base metals in focus. By the